Welcome to this complete Kamala Beach Phuket guide, a place where relaxation meets adventure. Nestled on the west coast of Thailand, Kamala Beach in Phuket is a gem waiting to be discovered. This tropical paradise offers a unique blend of tranquil beaches, vibrant markets, and thrilling water sports. From the culinary delights of beachfront restaurants to the breathtaking Lam Sing viewpoint, Kamala Beach promises an unforgettable experience. So fasten your seatbelts, folks. It's time to explore. Let's dive into the 13 must-do activities during your visit. First on our list is the very essence of Kamala, its mesmerizing beach. Picture this, a serene coastline with soft white sand beneath your feet and the soothing murmur of the Andaman Sea. Kamala Beach is a haven of tranquility, a place where you can leave your worries behind. Imagine lounging under the shade of a palm tree, a cool drink in hand, and nothing but the gentle sea breeze for company. Remember, no trip to Kamala is complete without a day at the beach. Next, we have the enchanting world of Phuket Fantasea. Welcome to a realm where Thai culture and imagination combine to create a spectacle like no other. Phuket Fantasea is more than a theme park. It's a cultural extravaganza that offers an unforgettable experience. As you step into this magical kingdom, you'll be swept away by the grandeur of the Palace of the Elephants, a state-of-the-art theater where you can witness the dazzling fantasy of a kingdom show. An engaging story told through a blend of traditional Thai dance, acrobatics, illusions, and stunts. It's a spectacle that captures the heart of Thailand's heritage. Don't forget to explore the Golden Kinari Buffet restaurant, where you can indulge in a feast fit for royalty. With a spread of Thai and international cuisines, it's a treat for the taste buds. For a taste of Thai culture with a twist of fantasy, Phuket Fantasea is your destination. No trip to Kamala Beach is complete without a visit to this mystical wonderland. Moving on, we pay our respects at the Tsunami Memorial Park. This solemn site serves as a testament to the devastating power of nature, honoring those who tragically lost their lives in the tsunami of 2004. Yet it also stands as a symbol of resilience and unity, a reminder of the strength that the local community has shown in the aftermath of such a catastrophe. A visit here is a poignant reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of humanity. Now, let's spice things up with the Friday night market and a Thai cooking class. Imagine strolling through a bustling market, the air filled with the alluring scents of sizzling street food and the vibrant chatter of locals and tourists alike. This is the Friday night market, where you can sample an array of Thai delicacies from colorful fruit shakes to fiery curries. You'll find stalls laden with exotic fruits, local handicrafts, and an array of Thai street snacks that will tantalize your taste buds. If you're up for a culinary adventure, why not join a Thai cooking class? There's no better way to immerse yourself in the local culture than learning to prepare traditional Thai dishes. Cook up a storm under the guidance of experienced chefs who will share their secrets of Thai cuisine. You'll be whipping up a mouth-watering green curry or a tangy pad Thai in no time. Both experiences are a feast for your senses and a treat for your taste buds. Ready for some adrenaline rush? Try snorkeling or scuba diving and later experience the local nightlife. The crystal-clear waters of Kamala Beach are a haven for marine life. The underwater world is a spectacle of vibrant colors and shapes. As you plunge into the depths, you'll find yourself surrounded by an array of curious fish, majestic sea turtles, and intricate coral formations. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-time snorkeler, the underwater wonders of Kamala will leave you in awe. As the sun sets and the underwater adventures come to an end, Kamala's nightlife springs to life. The streets buzz with energy as locals and tourists alike revel in the vibrant nightlife. From beachfront bars serving exotic cocktails to nightclubs pulsating with music, there's something for everyone. And if dancing isn't your scene, the night markets offer a more laid-back experience, with local artisans showcasing their crafts and food stalls serving up delicious Thai fare. From underwater adventures to dancing the night away, Kamala has it all. Time to unwind with a beachfront massage and a yoga class on the beach. Imagine lying down on a comfortable massage bed, feeling the gentle sea breeze on your skin as expert hands knead away the stress from your body. The rhythmic sound of the waves lapping against the shore acts as natural therapy, enhancing the overall experience. It's a sensory delight that combines relaxation with the raw beauty of nature. Next, we move on to a yoga class by the sea. As you stretch and pose on the soft sand, the salty sea air fills your lungs, bringing a unique sense of peace and tranquility. Guided by a seasoned instructor, you'll find yourself harmonizing with the rhythm of nature, your body moving in sync with the ebb and flow of the tide. It's an intimate dance with nature that leaves you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. For the ultimate relaxation, nothing beats a massage with the sound of waves and a yoga session with a view. Now let's set sail on a long-tail boat tour and indulge in beachfront dining. Picture this. You're aboard a traditional long-tail boat, the wind in your hair, the smell of the sea filling your nostrils, and the rhythmic sound of waves lapping against the hull. It's a symphony of sensory delights, a testament to the simple pleasures of life. As the boat cuts through the azure waters, you're treated to an intimate view of Kamala's stunning coastline. This isn't just a tour, it's a journey that exposes you to the raw, untouched beauty of Kamala. Now imagine ending this picturesque journey with a dining experience that rivals the boat tour. Beachfront restaurants in Kamala are more than just establishments offering food. They are venues that serve culinary masterpieces with a side of spectacular views. From fresh seafood to traditional Thai cuisine, every bite is a celebration of flavors enhanced by the soothing soundtrack of the sea. From the sea to the table, Kamala offers a truly immersive experience. Last but not least, go jet skiing or parasailing and visit the nearby Lame Sing viewpoint. Now, if you're someone who likes to keep their heart rate up, even on holiday, Kamala Beach has just the thing for you. Imagine yourself on a jet ski, with the wind in your hair and the spray of the sea on your face. The roar of the engine beneath you as you zip across the sparkling blue waters. There's truly nothing like it. And if you prefer a bird's eye view, why not give parasailing a go? Picture yourself soaring high above the beach, tethered to a boat with the world shrinking beneath you. It's a thrill that's tough to beat. But let's not forget about Layam Sing viewpoint. After all the adrenaline-pumping action, it's the perfect spot to wind down. Perched high above the coastline, this viewpoint offers an unparalleled panorama of the Andaman Sea. The sun setting over the water, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. It's a sight that will steal your breath away. And there you have it. From the rush of jet skiing and parasailing to the serene beauty of Layam Sing viewpoint, Kamala Beach caters to all your holiday desires. So what are you waiting for? It's time to pack your bags and set off on an adventure. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a nature lover, Kamala has something for you. And there you have it, the top 13 things to do in Kamala Beach, Phuket. From the tranquility of relaxing on the sandy shores of Kamala Beach to the awe-inspiring spectacle that is Phuket Fantasea. We've explored the poignant Tsunami Memorial Park and indulged in the vibrant Friday night market, even taking time to master the art of Thai cooking. We dived into the deep blue, snorkeling and scuba diving, and experienced the pulsating local nightlife. We've luxuriated in a beachfront massage and found our inner zen with a yoga class against the backdrop of the beach. We've sailed on a long-tail boat tour and dined at beachfront restaurants, savoring the local cuisine. And for those seeking a thrill, we've jet skied and parasailed, all while soaking in the mesmerizing views from Layam Sing viewpoint, each experience unique in its own way, contributing to a journey of a lifetime. So pack your bags and set your sails. Kamala Beach, Phuket awaits you.